Hello guys, this is how my beard looks. So in in today's video I'm gonna show you how to trim your beard properly and how to look great without visiting barber shop. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we are gonna do is just wash our beard properly with shampoo or what you are using for your skin. You need at least 2 times to wash with shampoo, and you can also use conditioner. So this is how my washed beard look. So I'm now gonna blow dry it. Okay, to blow dry your beard you need just comb and blow dryer. So we are using very simple technique. We are starting from down to up and then from up to down. So this way and then we are doing this way. So I'm gonna show you now. It's now okay. And one good thing, your beard now is very hot. So you should go on cold mode and use cold air for next 1 minute so to cool it down and it will shape well. So as you can see, it looks way much better, but there is lots of things to do. So now finally we can see the structure of beard. Which we are gonna take care. You don't need lots of things. You just need brush, of course, trimmer. So we also need this for trimming our mustache. We need to just continue having the same form but shorter. And also, of course, we need to trim side. So we're gonna start with brushing. See, I'm always starting with shaping my beard line because I can see how to give next steps and how to shape my beard properly. And magic we are gonna do now is just look at your beard, and you see these small little pieces of hair. You don't need them, you must trim it, and try to have your trimmer straight so you will not go deep to your beard. Start little by little, you don't need too much, you don't need to cut too much sides. Now don't forget about second side. So you don't need to trim your sides very much because this spot gives you beard fullness and beauty. See? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim my length a little bit to give it shape, even better shape. Do it just slow, see, don't push it, just start a little bit and then continue. See, shape is already visible. Now my favorite part, we need just cut this extra hair. Look how beautiful beard looks now. Now only thing left is just trim our mustache. So the reason I'm doing this, you just don't, so mustache will not come to your mouth while eating, but it will cover your lip. Our beard finally done. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more.